What's going on YouTube? So today's video we have the Aircillini. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we do have an air purifier here. It's very small and compact, good for bedrooms, it's good for office spaces, and it has an aromatherapy pad, and it comes in also like a 12-pack little cartridges. This has two filtrations, two different filters, and a very powerful top piece. It has timers, different modes for the speed, and shows you the information on the LED display as well. It retails for about maybe, I don't know the retail price on it right now because it's a pre-released unit. But when you guys do buy this, they will come in a 2-pack. So you'll get 2 of these. Or they might have a separate version that comes with just 1. I'm going to plug it in for the very first time. I believe this will have plastic bags on the filters themselves. So make sure you guys take them off. I got too excited and actually, already opened the unit. It's going to turn this on. So immediately it goes to setting 2. You can feel on both sides the air being pulled in, which is really good. And that's just on mode 2. Maybe the fastest current, and this is actually really strong. And you got the timer in 1-hour increments all the way up to 12, I'm assuming. Nope, only up to 6, only up to 8. So you have an 8-hour timer, and then you do have 3 modes. I think that's a sleep mode. Yeah, so you have a sleep mode too, so it even gets quieter than regular, and this is really quiet. That's actually super quiet. So you got mode 1, 2, 3, sleep mode. And then if you press this 4th mode, you have it on the highest mode, which is really cool. So you can easily press that and go crazy with it. So on sleep mode, we're drawing at about 2.7, 2.5. For mode 1, we're drawing at about 5 watts of power roughly. Yeah, 5 watts of power for mode 1. 8.3 watts of power on mode 2. Mode 3 is drawing at about almost 14 watts of power. There we go, 14 watts of power. And then max mode, this is actually a really strong little air purifier. I'm surprised on how it is. 22.5 watts of power on the max mode. I'm genuinely very shocked on how good this is for the size, for the price. Plus you can add the aromatherapy tablets on the top and add any essential oils that you want, which is really helpful. I'm gonna visually show you guys how powerful this is. And we have an anemometer here as well. So we're gonna test out the wind speed. Drawing 5.4 miles per hour on mode 1. That's super powerful already. That's more powerful than some other ones that I've tried. I'm not going to name any names. You could watch the videos if you need to. Mode 2 is at 6.7 miles per hour. You can see this, mode 2. And then we're going to go to mode 3, about 8.3 miles per hour. And max mode, roughly 9.4 miles per hour, and then I'll show you guys sleep mode for fun. So sleep mode is about 3 miles per hour roughly on average. That is the Aircillini air purifier. I'm going to be giving this to a cousin for a Christmas present, but it is amazing. I personally would have it in my room, but I have a different video for a 6-month review on a bigger unit that they send over as well, and I'm going to be showing a 6-month review on that pretty soon. So stay tuned for that, because that was honestly my favorite air purifier. I love working with this brand already. 100% good quality products. Without further ado, guys, thank you for watching, and as always, have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and we out.